Hi guys, this is John with another update on my Mysterium nodes, and this is for the month of December. So we can see since we've moved on to the mainnet, our earnings seem to have dropped quite substantially. So I've still got my two nodes running. This is my virtual machine and this is my Raspberry Pi version. But sadly, as you can see here from the last 30 days, the earnings have been pretty much nothing. So what's this? 5.7 missed. 5.7 times 0.448519. So that's $2.55. So that's £1.88. As you can see, this is a rather disappointing return from our investment. So here are my two nodes, and as you can see, there's absolutely no problem at all. They're running absolutely fine. The number of clients and the amount of data being transferred is pretty much nothing now. So what's actually happened since the move over to the mainnet? Well, I had to reach out into the Discord and find out what's going on, because previously we were getting about $20 a month from a single node. So I was kind of expecting that, as I'm sure a lot of people were, with the mainnet nodes as well. So according to one of the users in the Discord, basically when it was in the beta sort of network, it was using a different token, the Mist token with two T's, and it was actually a free to use service at the time. So obviously if it's a free VPN, people are going to be using it non-stop if it's a free one. You know, select whatever country you want and use it all for free. So since the move over to the mainnet, where people actually have to pay for the service, you can see the amount of traffic has gone to, like I say, pretty much nothing. So we can see here, this is my first node that I had set up, and it's just not really doing anything. There's no sessions really coming in. There's the odd one, a few kilobytes here and there. I do think this Netherlands traffic is just Mysterium themselves sending traffic across, or whatever they're doing on their end. This is what I used to see coming from Germany, I think. It's a shame, but it doesn't seem to be taking off at the moment. That doesn't mean I'm going to turn them off or do anything. I mean, we've still got options with our Raspberry Pi, for example. We can find other services we can run on the same Pi, and then it's not just doing one thing on its own. They will still pay themselves off, electric-wise at least, so even a couple of pounds is all it takes to run a Mysterium node, so I'm not worried about the electric costs. Obviously, we don't want it just sat there doing nothing all day, so I will be looking at other things we can stick on our Mysterium node so that we can actually use it for getting some more passive income, because it isn't really a viable solution, I think, if this stays the way it is. At the moment, with the lack of traffic, most people aren't really going to want to sign up to this. So that's my update anyway on Mysterium, and like I say, hopefully it will improve in the future if more people sign up to it. But again, it's just one of those things. You've got to try it. If it doesn't work, then we can repurpose our Raspberry Pi and use it for something else completely different. Or we can just add some more services onto the existing Pi and let this run in the background still, and pick up anything we can whilst it's going, but also whilst utilizing the Pi for something else as well. So let me know how your traffic is going on your nodes, if you have any set up, because maybe it's just me and the people don't want to use my node for some reason. But like I say, I think it is just the fact that the beta network was free to use, which I was not aware of at all. And now that they've switched over to the main net, it's actually charging people proper money this time to use the network. So it does seem obviously that less people are willing to pay for a VPN service. Other than that though, like I say, these can just sit around and carry on doing this. You never know, maybe it'll take off one day and go through the roof. If it doesn't, I wouldn't lose any sleep over it. We can, like I say, repurpose our Pi and use it for something else if we want to, or just add another service onto it if we're not happy with just running Mysterium on here. So as soon as I find something else to run on my Raspberry Pi node, the one down here, I will be sure to post a video and we'll just go through setting it up with some additional bits and pieces. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I've got plenty of other passive income methods which you can check out in the playlist in the top right. If you want one comparable to Mysterium, I would check out the Honeygain videos, because that is a completely safe way of sharing your internet. It's only used for business services, so it's worth checking out, and you do get $5 free when you sign up using my referral link. So maybe that's something we can actually do, actually get Honeygain running on our Mysterium node here as well, so it could be used for a couple of different internet sharing things. But I'll have a look into it and obviously create a video if that is possible. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.